How to copy local music to Apple Music? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add any music you would like to your Apple Music library and have it sync across all of your Apple devices, including your iPhone and Mac. If this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. To add your own music into Apple Music, first open Apple Music and then have a folder prepared with MP3 files that you would like to add in. While clicked into your folder of MP3s, use Command A to select them all and then click and drag them into Apple Music. If it doesn't work, make sure you are clicked on the Recently Added tab on the left. Now at this point, we've successfully gotten our music added on our Mac, but what about our iPhone? To make sure our music is synced with all of our devices, make sure you're clicked into Apple Music, go to the File tab, scroll over Library, and then click Update Cloud Library. If it worked, it will say Updating Cloud Music Library in the corner, and you can track it until it's done. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.